Set on 30 acres of open pasture and forest, this contemporary New Hampshire home features expansive windows, a four-season sunroom, a detached barn, and total privacy you just don't find anymore. Simply room to roam, this property gives you the freedom to shape the lifestyle you want. Inside, the home is designed to connect you to the outdoors. Expansive windows flood the interior with natural light and frame peaceful views in every direction. The open concept living, dining, and kitchen area works perfectly for everyday living and entertaining, with a layout that feels both modern and welcoming. One of the standout features is the four-season sunroom, a space you'll use year-round. Morning coffee, quiet afternoons, or snowy winter views, this room quickly becomes a favorite place to unwind. The home offers 3 comfortable bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, providing flexibility for family, guests, or a home office setup. Practical details matter here too. A dedicated mudroom and a separate laundry room are ideal for country living, keeping the home organized and functional no matter the season. Step outside and you'll find a detached barn, ready for animals, equipment, hobbies, or future expansion. With expansive pastures, wooded privacy, abundant natural light, and a thoughtful layout, this property delivers modern comfort on a scale that's increasingly hard to find. It's private, peaceful, and full of opportunity. True New Hampshire living at its best.